In today's video, we're going to be talking about scabies. Scabies is the most common parasitic infestation worldwide, and it's known to cause intense itching that can keep those affected awake at night time. The scabies parasite looks like this, also known as the Sarcoptes scabiei. The female scabies parasite burrows into the epidermis of the skin, and it lays eggs which hatch into larvae within a few days. Scabies is transmitted to other people by close personal contact, usually at least 15 minutes of skin-to-skin contact with someone who's infected. The symptoms usually start after 2 weeks, with the main symptoms being itching. This is due to an immune response where the immune cells respond to the proteins present in the mites, eggs and feces which are now in the skin. To diagnose scabies, it can be a little bit tricky because the clinical presentations can vary. Usually multiple members of the same household can be affected at the same time, so it's a key factor to look out for. The patient will have rashes which are intensely itchy at night time. We tend to see burrows which look like this. These are linear ridges with a black speck which shows the position of where the scabies parasite is. Key locations for these scabies burrows are in the finger web spaces and the genitals. There's a specific method using topical therapy to manage scabies. A common cause of treatment failure is incorrect use or technique of application. So the first thing is that the patient and all close personal contacts who have symptoms of scabies need to be treated at the same time. The medicated lotion needs to be applied from the neck downwards all over the body, and it's left on overnight and then repeated again after 7 days. The areas of specific focus needs to be the web spaces of the hands and feet and the genital region. It's important to note that the symptoms of itchy skin may take up to 6 to 8 weeks to settle because it takes this amount of time for the immune system to remove the parasites, eggs and feces from the skin cells. There's a few different types of medications used. The first line is 5% permethrin cream. The second line is 0.5% malathion lotion. And the third line is 10% sulfur in yellow soft paraffin. The symptoms of itchiness or pruritus can be alleviated by using menthol in aqueous cream. A more severe form of scabies infestation is called crusted scabies. This is where we see dry, scaly rashes on the skin. Crusted scabies usually affect those who are immune suppressed or in the elderly population. However, there is less itching associated in crusted scabies because the immune cells of the skin are not reacting to the proteins of the scabies parasite. The regular burrows of scabies normally contain one scabies parasite. However, in crusted scabies, there may be hundreds present. Treatment of crusted scabies can include ivermectin, which is 200 micrograms per kilogram, can be given in 2 doses, and the second being after 7 days.